start new chapter, that is chapter 7, and name of the chapter is Congruence of Triangles. What do you mean by congruence? Congruence means exact copy of one another. It means two objects of same shape and size. When two objects are of same shape and same size, then these two objects are called congruent. Here we discuss congruence of plane figures. Congruence of plane figure. Plane figure means we can determine the congruency of line segments, angles, triangles, and so on. First we discuss line segment. When two line segments are said to be congruent, suppose it is a line segment AB and length of line segment AB is 4 cm. It is another line segment LM. Suppose the length of line segment LM is also 4 cm. When the two line segments are of same measure, measurement of AB is 4 cm, measurement of LM is 4 cm. If we place this line segment over this one, it exactly covers this line segment. Now these two line segments are congruent as they are of same length. Next one is angle. When two angles are said to be congruent, suppose it is angle A 30 degree. It is another angle 30 degree. Two angles are said to be congruent if their measurement are same. Here angle A is 30 degree, angle L is 30 degree. So we can say angle A is congruent to angle L. It is the sign of congruent. Now, while examining the congruency of two angles, the length of arms are not important. Here, length of arm AB is 4 cm. Here length of arm LD is suppose 3 cm. In case of angles, arms are not important. What is important? Measurement. When you consider about angle, you have to check the measurement of these two angles. Is it clear? Line segment. When two line segments are said to be congruent, if their measurement are same. Two angles are said to be congruent if their measurement are same and the length of arms are not important. Let's discuss about congruence of triangles. Triangle, suppose it is triangle ABC. It is another triangle PQR. Two triangles are said to be congruent if they are exact copy of each other. If they are exact copies of each other. If we place one triangle over the other, it exactly covers this triangle. Now, triangle ABC corresponds to triangle PQR. It is the symbol of correspondence. Correspondence. What do you mean by correspondence? Triangle ABC have three parts. Three sides AB side BC and side C. Three sides and a triangle have three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. A triangle has three sides and three angles. First we discuss angles. Angle A. Angle A is equal to angle P. If we write correspondence means what is the position of A? The same position in another triangle P. These two are on the same position. So angle A is congruent to angle P. B is on the second position. Here Q is on the second position. So angle B is congruent to angle Q. Here C is on the third position. Here R is on the third position. So we can say angle C is congruent to angle R. Now what do you mean by congruent? This symbol is congruent. This symbol stands for congruent and this symbol stands for correspondence. Now angle A is congruent to angle P. It means measurement of these two angles are same. Angle B is correspondence to angle Q. This means measurement of these two angles are same. Angle C is congruent to angle R. It means measurement of these two angles are same. Now let's discuss about the sides. Here AB. AB is congruent to PQ. We have to consider the position AB. Same position of another triangle PQ. First, second. First two vertices. Here first two vertices. AB side is congruent to PQ side. Now, second and third vertex. Here second and third vertex. BC side is congruent to QR. Now, first and third vertex. Here first and third vertex. AC is congruent to PR. Now, this correspondence means corresponding vertices, corresponding sides are equal to each other. It means angle A is corresponding to angle P, angle B is corresponding to angle Q, angle C is corresponding to angle R. Same as sides. This correspondence is given to you. Suppose this correspondence is given to you. You have to find out 6 pairs of corresponding three angles and 3 sides. First two vertices in first triangle, first two vertices in another triangle. AB side is equals to PQ side. Second and third vertex BC, second and third vertex QR. BC is congruent to QR. First and third vertex, first and third vertex. AC is congruent to PR. These are 6 parts of equal measurement of two congruent triangles. Now, these two triangles are said to be congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. It is the symbol of triangle ABC. It is a symbol of congruence. It is a symbol of triangle PQR. These two triangles are congruent if 3 angles and 3 sides are equal to each other. Let's do one question based on this congruence of triangles. In this question, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ. It is given to you. Under the correspondence is also given to you. QPR is correspondence to XYZ. It means you have to find out the equal measure of these parts. Now angle R. Angle R is equal to third. Angle R is in third position. Here angle Z is on third position. So angle R is congruent to angle Z. Angle P. Angle P is on the second position in another triangle. What is the second position? Which angle is on the second position? Angle Y. So we can say angle P and angle Y are congruent to each other. Q is on the first position. Here X is on the first position. So angle Q is congruent to angle X. Now sides. QR, first and third vertex. Here first and third vertex. First and third vertex QR forms a side. First and third vertex forms a side. So QR is correspondence to X part. QP, first and second vertex. Same here, first and second vertex. XY. Here XZ. It is XY. RP third and second. Here third and second ZY. In this way you have to find out the sides. You have to check the position of the vertices. Here QR means first and third vertex. First and third vertex. In this way you can find the congruent sides and corresponding angles and corresponding vertices. Sides. Next topic is criteria for congruence of triangles. Suppose we have to check whether these two triangles are congruent or not. We can check by using three criteria. We have first criteria SSS. It means side, side, side criteria. Next one is SAS, side angle, side congruence criteria. Third one is angle, side, angle congruence criteria. Angle, side, angle congruence criteria. Next is RHS. It means right angle triangle. Right hypotenuse side congruence criteria. Right hypotenuse side congruence criteria. Let's discuss with first side criteria. Side criteria means under a given correspondence, if the three sides of one triangle are equal or congruent to the three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. Suppose it is triangle ABC and it is triangle PQR. If side AB is congruent to side PQ and BC side is congruent to QR, third AC side is congruent to PR, three sides of one triangle are equal or congruent to three corresponding sides of another triangle, then these two triangles are said to be congruent by side criteria. If three sides of one triangle are equal or congruent to three corresponding sides of another triangle, then these two triangles are said to be congruent by using side congruence criteria. Let's do some questions based on side criteria. In this question, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle with AB side is equals to AC side. Isosceles triangle means in which two sides are equal to each other. And D is the midpoint of base BC. BC is the base and D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. It means midpoint divides the BC line segment into two equal parts. BD is equals to DC. If D is the midpoint, it means it divides the line segment BC into two equal parts. BD is equals to DC. You have to state three pairs of equal parts in triangles ABD and ACD. Firstly, we have to consider triangle ABD and ACD. In triangle ABD and in triangle ACD, you have to state three pairs of equal parts. Three pairs of equal parts in these two triangles. AB side in triangle ABD, that is equals to AC in triangle ACD. AB is equals to AC, that is given in the given question. This part is given to you. Now, D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of base BC. It means BD is equals to DC, as D is midpoint of BC. That is also given to you. Now, AD line segment, it is in the triangle ABD. This line segment is also in the triangle ACD. Now, AD is common line segment in both the triangles. So, we can say AD is equals to AD, common side. Now, we check AB side is equals to AC, BD side is equals to DC, and AD side is equals to AD. Now, three sides of one triangle are equal to corresponding three sides of another triangle. So, we can say these two triangles are congruent. For in first part, you have to find out the three pairs. These are the three pairs. These are the three pairs of equal parts in both triangles ABD and ACD. In second part, you have to check whether triangle ABD and ACD are congruent or not. Yes, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Yes, it is congruent. Why? Why this is congruent? Because three sides of one triangle are equal to corresponding three another sides of another triangle. By which criteria? By side congruence criteria. You have to mention which criteria these two triangles are congruent. By side congruence criteria, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Let's do next question. In this question, if triangle PQR and triangle SQR are both isosceles triangle on a common base QR. Isosceles means two sides of this triangle are equal. Two sides of this triangle are equal. Both triangles are isosceles means two sides of this triangle are equal. Two sides of this triangle are also equal. And both triangles are on a common base QR. It is base QR. PQR, we make triangle PQR. It is PQR. PQR is an isosceles triangle. Suppose PQ is equals to PR. Now SQR also isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two sides of this triangle are equal. On a common base QR such that P and S lie on the same side of QR. P and S lie on the same side of QR. You have to check. You have to find out triangle PSQ is congruent to triangle PSR. Okay. Now what is given to you? Firstly, you have to write given. What is given to you? Triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, it means PQ is equals to PR. Let's take this first equation number 1. In next part also given to you. SQR, triangle SQR is an isosceles triangle. It is also given to you. It means SQ is equals to SR. Let's suppose second equation. You have to check triangle PSQ is congruent to PSR. So let's these two triangles in proof, or you can say in solution. Let's take in triangle PSR and in triangle PSQ. देखो, PSQ, it means PSQ. You have to consider this triangle PSQ, and PSR, you have to consider this triangle PSR. PSQ, side PQ in triangle PSQ, and PSR in this triangle, consider side PR. Now PQ is equals to PR from equation number 1, or you can say it is given to you. Now in triangle PSQ, in triangle PSQSQ, in triangle PSR, it is also given to you in equation number 2. Now PR, PSQ, PSR. PS is common side. PS is common side in both triangles. PS is equal to PS. It is common side in both triangles. Now in triangle PSQ, PQ, PSR, we take PR. These two sides are equal. In triangle PSQ, SQ, in triangle PSR, SR, these two sides are also equal. It is given to you. Now PS is equal to PS. It is common side in both these triangles. Now three sides of one triangle are congruent to three another sides of another triangle. So we can say these two triangles are congruent to each other by using side congruence criteria. Congruence criteria. In this way you can solve questions based on side congruence criteria. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.